If you're seeing the Facebook unexpected error occurred message, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting steps that can get Facebook working again fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and helpful tech guides. First, the easiest thing to try is refreshing the page. On your keyboard, press F5. Or if you're on a laptop or desktop browser, you can also click the refresh icon at the top of the page. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to load Facebook properly again. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to throw unexpected errors, especially when pages are loading slowly or failing halfway through. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If it doesn't, restart your Wi-Fi router, switch to mobile data if you're on a phone, or reconnect to your network and try Facebook again. Now let's move on to clearing your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become corrupted or outdated, and that can cause loading problems on websites like Facebook. To fix this, open your browser settings, go to History or Privacy Settings, and clear the cached images and files. You don't always need to delete everything, but clearing the cache is often enough to remove the error. After that, close and reopen your browser, then try Facebook again. If you still see the message, try using Incognito mode. This is a great test because it opens a clean browser session without using your saved cache, cookies, or extensions. In most browsers, you can open Incognito mode from the menu, then sign into Facebook again and see if the problem is gone. If Facebook works fine in Incognito, that usually means the issue is related to your browser data, extensions, or saved session. If none of these steps fix it right away, you can also try signing out of Facebook and signing back in, updating your browser, or restarting your device. But in many cases, just refreshing the page, checking your connection, clearing the browser cache, and trying Incognito mode will solve the unexpected error message. I hope this helped you fix the Facebook unexpected error occurred issue quickly. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook troubleshooting tips in the future.